Finding the courage to change, the magic of giving. Until you find a way to change from being a taker to a giver, your life is going to continue to be very hard. When I heard these words, they hit home. I was so busy blaming, demanding, resenting, and manipulating. My days were often a long struggle to get my own way, whatever that was. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. There's a lot of power in this idea. If there is something negative outside of me, then I have a negative thought pattern that attracts more negative conditions. I made a mental list of the flaws I saw in those around me. Did I have those flaws? When I found a thought pattern that felt like it matched the other's behavior, then I tried to find an antidote thought pattern. After a while, I discovered that most of my patterns were based in feelings of fear, unworthiness, and abandonment. So my new thoughts had to be kind, loving, forgiving, and consistent. I began to focus on radiating my new thoughts whenever I felt challenged. I started by giving to the people around me, giving the gifts of listening, loving, accepting, and forgiving. One day I realized that while I was giving to others, I was also giving these things to myself. And for the first time, I felt worthy of receiving them. I have given myself a better life. There's more kindness, more love, and more acceptance. My efforts to change from being a taker to a giver have created a real miracle in my life.